Hey everybody, we want to take a second here at Gravana to show you two new features that we are rolling out on our online platform. We hope it helps makes your use of the online platform easier and helps you in the classroom. So the two things are that we have alphabetically organized the student's name by last name in your classes, and the second thing is that we now created a quiz viewer, so you are able to see what questions students got wrong from the quizzes that they took. So the first thing you're going to do is log in, and you should see your normal page here. This is a test site, so none of these are real students. I am a real person, but I'm not an actual teacher of this class. You can see I only have 2 writing prompts to grade, so I'm pretty caught up. So you're just going to click into your class. So click on View. It's going to take you to your class, and you'll see that the students are now aligned alphabetically by last name, so hopefully that helps with your grade book and to match up there. I'm going to click on Jessica Day to see the quiz viewer. There are 2 different ways that you can look at the way or how students are doing on a quiz. The first thing is when you click on that student name, it'll show you what lessons they have completed, what they scored on those, and their active lessons. So the first thing that you can do is click on the active lesson, and here you can view quiz attempt. Now, and so if I click on view quiz attempt, I'm able to view her quiz. What you're going to see here is it's going to say wrong questions, and these are the questions that the student got wrong. And you'll see that they are highlighted red. And so as I scroll down, I can see the red, and then it goes to correct questions. These are the ones they got right, and they are highlighted green. And so that kind of gives you an idea. You can analyze if there's any patterns, and that can help you with any reteaching or clarification. You'll see that the student tells us what time they started, how much time it took. It took the student 31 seconds, so I would think we're all shocked that they got a 50%, and it kind of goes over that. The other way that you can see student quiz results is to go back to that student's data here, and maybe I want to look at how she got a 90 on this final quiz, on this quiz in 1-2, and I can go back and I can see, oh, it took her 3 different attempts to get that done, and I can look at all of these attempts. And I'm going to show you a couple of the differences that you're going to see. If I click on the 90%, and then this again is going to show me what questions they got wrong and what questions they got right, so I can see the patterns. However, if they did not finish, you are going to see kind of a different view. The questions that they did not answer are not going to be highlighted at all because they stopped in the quiz. They only, we got 0 results, but we can even look back and see, oh, they didn't answer any of these. If you keep scrolling, you'll see that they did answer some. It looks like they were not getting the grade they wanted, so they quit, or maybe their internet went out, or they pushed the back button, or they weren't feeling confident. And then you can see, oh, they got these 3 right and they got these 3 wrong. And then they didn't answer these others. And so that's where you'll see some of those aren't highlighted. So hopefully that those 2 new features help make using the online interface more enjoyable and a better experience. If there's ever a tutorial that you need or you'd like to see how to use a different feature from the online platform, let us know and we'll put something out there. Just shoot us an email if there's any way that we can ever help you and utilizing Gravana in the classroom. So good luck moving forward with the rest of the year, Grammar Gurus.